planner friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing our next weekly spread, and one of the days is National Bowling Day, and I got these bowling stickers from Hobby Lobby. Of course they were on clearance. They were 74 cents. How awesome is that, right? So these are the ones I'm going to be using. I also pulled out this washi tape that I think kind of goes with the whole bowling theme, and I got it from this pack of washi tape. I think I got this at Joann's, and of course it was on clearance too. That's why I got it. There's one more missing from there, and it is this one right here. So this is a little too rainbowy, I think, for this spread, but maybe it's gonna work. I don't know. Let's see. I'm gonna put both of those on the side here. And I also cut up some yellow boxes. This was the best color that I found that would kind of match the yellow on these stickers. So I'm gonna use these as boxes. I'm gonna try and see if I can challenge myself to use all of these stickers, kind of like I like to do with when I do these kinds of spreads. So let's flip on over to our week, and this is going to be the second full week of August, so the 9th through the 15th. So National Bowling Day is, where is it? It's one of these days. Is it? Let's see. Oh, there it is, on the 14th, National Bowling Day. It's also my mom's birthday on Monday, so I'm super excited about that. I got her something kind of cool. I hope that she likes it. It's not an actual physical present yet, but it will be either later this year or early 2022. So we'll see. I'm kind of afraid that she's not going to be very excited about it. I did get her something small too, though. I got her this red purse, and it's like this cute little tiny thing. And of course she found it. So it's not a surprise at this point anymore. She found her present early. So, oh, well, that's what I get for kind of leaving it out a little bit in the open. It wasn't super out in the open. I mean, she never, whenever she comes over to my house, she never comes over in my room, but last weekend she came over because I was out of town, and she was helping feed my cats. So she came into my room to see where the cats were, and then she turned around and she found her present. I didn't hide it very well, obviously, so yeah. Okay, so what I want to do, and I have my calendar, my work calendar up on the computer. It's off to the side so that I can kind of see what my work week looks like. And I am going to be really busy from, well, I'm working on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So all 3 of these days, I really only need 1 box, because when I'm working, it takes up 12 hours of my day, and then I'm exhausted to do anything else. So just 1 box on those is gonna be all right. And you know, maybe I should do something different and not have all of the boxes all over the place and just kind of have them lined up. How about that? What you think? I think it's gonna be different. I think I'm gonna go for it. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, another instructor is teaching, so I'm gonna be back up those days. And pretty much when I'm back up, I kind of sit at the computer the entire day and I work on other stuff that I need to get done, and I've got plenty to do. So other than working on my class updates on those 3 days, I really don't know what else I'm going to be fitting into my day. But I am not leaving the house from Tuesday through Sunday for sure. So I think I'm just 1 box for all of those days is perfect. The only one that I kind of wish I had more space on is Monday, because like I said, it's my mom's birthday. And I know I'm going to be going over to visit her and have lunch with her and my grandma. But I think think we're just going to keep it at that. I think if I do write, you know, whatever in there, it's just going to be short, sweet, and to the point. So then I got to figure out how to use all of these stickers. And I think my inspiration one is going to come from this bowling sticker. And I know I want it on this page because National Bowling Day is on the 14th. I think maybe if I move these down, so my stuff that I'm going to be writing is going to be in the middle, that way I can do stickers both on top and on the bottom. I like that idea. Alrighty guys, so this is it. This is the final product, and you know what? I am actually really happy with this. I ended up using the entire sheet of stickers, so all of them are on this page, which makes me ridiculously happy because sometimes I'll have like one or two left, and then of course I forget about the entire sticker sheet altogether, and I just kind of have a collection of random sticker sheets with just one or two things. And of course that drives me absolutely bonkers. So this is it. I really like this. I am really excited to use this spread, and I really hope that I find the time to actually post this video coming up. If not this week, you know, I have been so busy over the last month. I can't really make any promises, but hopefully it's going to get uploaded soon. All right, guys, let me know what you think. Let me know how you like it. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.